Hi guys, welcome back. I am Megan. I'm going to be using my current favorite color palette today, which is quinacridone magenta, Naples yellow, and dioxazine purple with some white. I'm loving these colors, just orange, purple, and like a red or magenta. It's just kind of my new favorite. So I'm sure I'll be back to mostly blues before too long because I love my blues. But for right now, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to pour over this canvas. It's an okay one, but I'm not in love with it. And I just, I don't see anything else I want to do with it. So I'm just going to pour over it. So I have white, and I'm just going to cover the canvas. I'm going to flood the canvas with my white, and then spread it out. Okay, so it's not perfect, but that's okay. I'm just going to kind of play today. I'm not going to do anything too serious. I honestly don't even know everything. I think this one's mixed with Sargent gloss, but these are all, I've had them mixed for other paintings. There's probably silicone in the purple. I don't know if there's silicone in these colors or not. But I'm just going to kind of, there's no rules today. I'm just going to enjoy because I love these colors. I'm just gonna have fun. And I'm not gonna stress about any of it. Let's do a little bit of this over here. There might be silicone in that Naples yellow too. Actually, there might be at all. Honestly, I'm not even sure. It's been so long since I mixed these. I don't even know. So if I get to a point that I really like it, I don't want to add any more color and there's still some bare spots, I can add some white to it. But I'm just gonna play. In fact, I think I want this corner to just be kind of some dark purple and pink. I even have some black here if I want to use it. I do apologize because my head is probably going to be in the way a lot. I'm going to use a little bit of purple or a little bit of black. Now this I know doesn't have silicone in it. This is just the Arteza pouring colors. So it's already pre-mixed. And I have added silicone to them and it works really well. They're like the perfect consistency for pouring. So I'm just going to kind of build on this. I kind of like the dark over here. I'm going to add a little more pink. And then as I go up, I think I'm going to get to just more pink and then more of the Naples yellow. Let's add some more pink right here. So it kind of gets lighter as you go up. If you've seen my videos, you know I'm a fiddler. I like paintings that take me a little bit longer to play with. I'm going to add just a little bit more black right in here just to kind of keep that dark. Just a little bit though, because I want the black just to kind of be a contrast to what's up here rather than like, you know, the main attraction. just a tiny bit here. And a little bit more pink. Draw out some of that white. Now, the thing about using air to manipulate your paint, if you have a color that has sunk, I'm going to turn this around, and you're not seeing it, oh, you know what? It's kind of cool with some white. So I may leave, oh, I almost kind of like that. I'm going to work my way this way, but I may leave some white negative space. I kind of like that. But anyway, if you're painting and you have a spot that, let me make sure this is in camera, that isn't, or a color that's really has sunk to the bottom, if you know where it is on your painting, like you're saying, okay, well, I know it was right here, and then it sunk and other colors took over, using air either through a straw or just blowing on your canvas will pull what's underneath up. So anytime you have a color that disappears on you, that's a great technique to use to get it to come to the surface. Okay, so lighter on the purple over there. I'm going to dance around a little bit with this pink. And I'm going to start about right here with this Naples yellow. And then heavier over here. I'm really liking this. And I do think I'm going to keep this white up here. It's hard to see when I'm like right on top of it. I'm just going to go around. Oh, I love how that purple came through. I won too many times. I wish I would have stopped that last breath. Yeah, I really definitely need some of this white to be a negative space. Otherwise, whoa, sorry. Otherwise it's going to be too busy. So I'm going to sort of go back this way a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of pink here. And then a little bit of purple. I love the way this purple is just barely peeking through. It looks really cool. And I'm going to add just a little bit more black for a contrast there. This is really fun. This is a different process for me. Oh, look, can you see this fish? Sorry. Look at this fish's little eye. There's his little mouth. Like, is that a bass fish that has the big mouth and the big eyes? Do you see it? It looks like a little bass fish right there. I think it's bass. Somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, and please do, because I might have the wrong fish there. But do you see him? He's really kind of cute. Okay, I am trying to get some of those colors. I'm not loving the way that peach is like totally taken over. I want it to be more prominent here, but it's like it feels left out, I think. What's that saying? Or that FOMO? Is that what it is? Feeling of left out, feeling of being left out. Again, somebody will surely tell me if I'm wrong. Oh, I don't want to mess up that fish. I don't love that there. That's okay. I'm not going to mess up the fish. I am going to add a little bit of black right down here. And just a teeny bit right in here. Not much. Because I really want the dark to be over here. But one little, if I can get one tiny little drip in this purple. Boop, come on. There you go. Wow. All right. I'm going to come around. probably, oh no, I got paint all over me. Ah! Oh well, that's what this shirt is for. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up with a little bit of purple, just with this stick, rather than blowing on it. There. Okay. I'm gonna, I don't know if I want to tilt or not. I don't think I'm going to. I'm not gonna tilt because I really kind of like it the way it is. I might blow this back down this way a little bit so it's not like, and then I'm gonna call it good. And then I'll just touch up the white off camera. There we go. I like that edge better. I think that's it. I really like that. It's just a little bit different, a little bit fun on a different scale. Let me take this off here. We'll kind of do some close-ups. It's going to let me focus or not. Ah, sorry. I don't know why I have the hardest time focusing with this phone. I should get a camera, I suppose. Sorry about that. I know it's like, here, let me put my hand there. There we go. Right in the painting. That's what I get, right? That's all right. With this kind of art, it does not show as much. Where's my little fishy? Are you upside down? Probably. There he is. There's a little eye. Little mouth. Well, anyway, there was just something a little bit different, a little bit fun. Let me know what you think of this process being a little bit, just a little bit different, a little more controlled of where the colors are. You know, it'd be fun with this would actually be a balloon smash if I had a balloon to kind of put some of those marks in there, but I don't. So anyway, let me know what you think. And as always, guys, happy pouring.